Welcome to our channel. If you've decided to close your Webull trading account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure proper account closure. Step 1. Before closing your account, liquidate all your positions by selling all stocks, options, and cryptocurrency holdings. Step 2. Cancel all pending orders, stop orders, and any scheduled investments or deposits. Step 3. If you have a margin account, close any margin positions and ensure your margin balance is zero. Step 4. Wait for all transactions to settle completely, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days after selling securities. Step 5. Withdraw all cash from your Webull account to your linked bank account. Step 6. In the Webull app, go to your account profile by tapping the profile icon. Step 7. Navigate to Account Settings and look for Account Management options. Step 8. Contact Webull customer support through the app or by email to request account closure, as this typically cannot be done directly in the app. Step 9. Follow Webull's instructions for final account closure and request written confirmation. Download your tax documents and trading statements before final closure for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.